Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So a quick video. I want to show you how to remove this handbrake cover and handle as well, and also the gear shift letter cover, how you want to call it. The reason I want to take them off is to replace them with these ones, Alcantara. I believe it's deep black 4090, that's the code. So I want to replace them with this and with this one as well. Just order them on eBay. They've done it custom with red stitches to match my steering wheel. I had the steering wheel replaced as well. Have a look. I don't know, maybe it's not everyone cup of tea, but I like it. It's custom made. I will pop a link with the company who did it for me in the description of the video. So in order to do that, you put this armrest, and you just, it's got some clips on the sides, this side and this side, and also here. You push it, you pull the handbrake off. Yes, it's a bit hard with one hand. So here you push it up, you see, you push it up a bit and you put your hand here. It's got some clips. You push it up and you pull it gently, yeah, and that's it. Not big thing. The handle as well, I pull it anyway prior the video. I will show you how. You just, if you want to remove only the cover, you remove the cover and you just cut the zip tie here. But me, I want to remove it all so I can put that Alcantara on. So in order to do that, you just pull it firmly, yeah. I already did that, so it's coming out loose now. This is the things that stop it, these two things. So you need to pull it out firm. This one, it's almost the same thing. It's got some clips. Gently just pull it up from the corner here and here, and that's it. That's it. This is it. It's got a zip type here as well. I'll just cut the zip type and replace it. Let's have a look. What's there? This is my gear lever. Yeah, short gear lever. Still alright. Put some grease on it. It's still there. Okay, so let me just replace them, and I will show you the final product. Okay guys, this is after installation, like in reverse order. I've just added this, yeah, Alcantara letter. The flash is on, so you can see properly. So this is the gear cover as well, matching with the steering wheel. Like I said, let me put the flash off so you can see. Okay, that's how it looks. I don't know if it's not everyone's cup of tea, but I like it. Like this one, you just pull it back in, clip it in, and that's it. Next time, I found the company on eBay. I'm not sure about, I need to just double check the review and stuff. They will I want to change the chair as well, the custom make them, and the door cards as well, because it's hard to find. I was looking for some red ones, but it's hard to find now. I was trying before to paint it red, like you see. Let me show you the back after I watch it on YouTube, but it's kind of crap anyway. I don't get into details. I stop there. I don't like it, and that's the end of it. So thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.